Why do people forget that there is lake with Volcano Islands? This is Ometepe. It is island with big volcanoes in Nicaragua. Here lives around 40,000 people who make living from farms and tourism. Here they have farms which are better because of volcanoes. Volcanoes are very good because they make farms better, but they may also explosion. And here they also have wood and fish. Fun fact: on this island you can find very old stone carvings from ancient peoples. Ancient peoples believed this island was a sacred promised land. Very nice. Please follow